Let me hook you up on how to make the year or Thiakry using couscous, and you're going to love this one. Hi there, I am Hirat and you're welcome to my channel. Please do well and subscribe to my channel. Okay, so let's get started. These are the things I used, which are yogurt, and here I used vanilla yogurt. And next, I have my evaporated milk, and you can use a whole milk as well, condensed milk as my sweetener. And here I have my couscous and I used the small ones. Next, I have my powdered milk and vanilla extract. So in a bowl, I will go in with my couscous and then add a very hot water because we are going to steam cook the couscous for at least 3 minutes. So I am going to add the hot water to make sure it covers everything, just as you see in the video. Cover it and let it sit for 5 minutes. So whilst waiting, I am going to mix the base for the dege into a bowl. I will go in with my non-dairy creamer and I am going to mix it with hot water because I don't want to see any tiny lumps in it. So I'm going to give it a very good mix so it is well dissolved. And you can as well use room temperature water depending on the creamer you are using. Next, I am going to add my yogurt, and this yogurt will help it to be thick, okay, but you can skip it if you're not a fan of it. Add evaporated milk, and next I am going to add condensed milk, and you can use sugar instead of the condensed milk. And then I am going to add vanilla essence for that flavor. But you can use any flavor of choice as well. Give it a very good mix so everything is well combined without any lumps. Then we will proceed. Just see how creamy the base looks. This is what we are going in for. Okay. So once this is done, I am going to check on my couscous, and here my couscous is well steamed to my satisfaction. And here you can add butter or margarine to enhance the flavor. So next I am going to add the couscous into my base and then give it a very good mix so I'm okay with the consistency. So here I gave it a very good mix and I realized it was too light, and then I added the couscous once again, and next it is just okay, just how I want it. Okay. If you are still watching this video to this end, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. If you haven't yet, like this video, share this video, and make sure to turn on your notification bell to get you notified anytime I drop a new video. So once everything is done, I am going to store them in these small glass bottles, and you can put this in the fridge for at least 3 days and you will enjoy, or you can just enjoy it just like that, or just get some ice cubes and enjoy it with it. It was so good, and you won't even differentiate it from the millets, the gear or Thiakry. Make sure to try this recipe and you will love it, guys. And don't forget to let me know how you enjoyed yours in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video to this end, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.